know it's like, whoa.
Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Algorithm Pod. My name is Jitesh. So here I am with a new video of cryptography and network security. So in this video we will discuss AES algorithm, one of the other block cipher cryptographic algorithm. So let's jump right into it. Now AES stands for Advanced Encryption Standard. It is basically a block cipher encryption algorithm. So in this we have 128 bits of plain text. Now the number of rounds, unlike the DES, we have 16. Now how the plain text is arranged, it is arranged as a block of 4 by 4, which means something like that, as a matrix basically. 4 rows, 4 cells and 4 columns. Each cell is of 4 bits each. Is in that way it is arranged. Total is 128 plain text. It is reduced into a matrix. Now how this algorithm work, let's try to understand with the help of this diagram. So basically this is the block diagram of AES algorithm. So our main aim is to convert the plain text to the cipher text. Now we have, as I said, we have 10 rounds. In each round, using the keys, different keys, we are performing encryption. Now before going through the rounds, the plain text is undergoing a pre-round transformation. Pre-round transformation in the sense that arranging, rearranging, and performing basically the XOR operation between the plain text and the keys. Like the key generator will give a key k0 and then it will generate some ciphertext, and then this ciphertext will be passed down to the next rounds, and the key will be generated like this with the help of key expansion algorithms. How this key expansion is done, I will show you in the next steps. So this is the block diagram of the AES algorithm. Now let's try to understand what happens in each round. So in each round, plain text is given, and k0, the keys, cipher key is given. So we need to perform encryption based on this. How it is performed, let's try to see it. Add round key. The first operation which is performed is add round key. Add round key is simply an XOR between plain text and the key. Basically an XOR operation between the plain text and the key. Then next, sub bytes. This plain text is, the bytes are substituted. Byte substitution is done. Total of 16 bytes are substituted in the obtained plain text after performing the add round key operation. Then after, shift rows. In shift rows, I have said earlier that plain text is arranged in the form of a 4 by 4 matrix. Each 4 rows of matrix is shifted left. Left shift is performed here, and then mix columns is performed. Now this mix columns, each column of this matrix is applied, a mathematical function is applied on this matrix, on the obtained matrix. But note that this mix columns operation is not performed at the last round. Then after that we will obtain a new matrix with new bytes after performing certain functions. Then we are again performing an add round key for the next round in here itself with the help of key 1. As I said earlier, add round key is an operation, is simply an XOR operation between the plain text and the key. Now the plain text is at the end of every round, the plain text is transformed like this, and every time the resultant plain text is added with an add round key, means XOR operation, and then passed on to the next round until the end. After the end of round 10, we do not perform any operation. As you recall, in the DES algorithm, we have applied some final permutation after the end of the last round. We do not perform such operations here. We will directly obtain the ciphertext, our desired ciphertext, at the end of this last round. So this was about AES algorithm. Make sure to hit the like button in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future notification. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you next time.